Hey guys! Welcome to Online Gift Store channel. Are you looking for drone with 4K camera? Today in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cheap drones with 4K camera in 2021. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best drone with 4K camera 2021, money can buy well the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. CEVENNESFE 6K HD Camera Drone. CEVENNESFE 6K HD Camera 3-axis Gimbal GPS Photography Drone. With 3-axis span tilt, the front lens is placed with wide-angle 6K high-definition Wi-Fi, and the optical flow at the bottom can switch the shooting angle and switch the indoor mode. The indoor positioning of optical flow can adjust the shooting angle of the front camera on the remote control. The 3-axis pan tilt makes the aircraft shooting video clearer and more stable, and the angle wider. Precise positioning, with GPS precise positioning, can achieve 1K return, no signal return, low power return, avoid flying loss. Ultra-long endurance 11.1 volt 2800 mAh lithium battery, with an endurance of about 35 minutes, increases the sense of flight experience. Custom route. You can draw the picture you want to fly on the app. Intelligent follow, surround flight, palm control, map real-time positioning, UAV, out-of-control map, route planning, app mobile phone control, one-button return, up and down, forward and backward. Left and right side flight. Automatic switching optical flow GPS. Gesture photography, optical flow positioning, brushless motor, super long endurance 7, brushless motor provides more powerful power and longer service life. Number 4. EQB Professional 5G Wi-Fi GPS Drones. EQB Professional 5G Wi-Fi GPS Drones with 6K 2-axis gimbal camera RC quadcopter. 5G Wi-Fi image transmission 3000 meters flight distance. 3000 meter flight, flying far enough to allow you to better capture everything beautiful. 5G HD transmission, 5G HD frequency band, more friendly watching experience and enjoy the wonderful. Automatic smart follow, where to go, where to take pictures. 360-degree flying around, where to go, where to take pictures. You can command the aircraft to take off, land and even return from a distance with just a single click. Explore new places and amp up your videography skills with the NWE-M1 Pro 4K HD camera drone. It can fly for 30 minutes continuously and shoot amazing HD videos at 25 frames per second. The quadcopter also boasts an excellent video resolution of 2048 by 1080 and picture resolution of 4096 by 3072. You can also transfer images in real time with the help of Wi-Fi up to a distance of 600 meters. It has a 2-axis anti-shaking self-stabilizing drone camera gimbal, which will make your videos extremely stabilized. Number 3. HKNA KAI Dual Camera Foldable Quadcopter. HKNA KAI 1 Pro GPS Drone 4K Professional. 8K High Definition Image Quality, 50x Zoom, 90-degree Wide Field of Vision. 3-axis mechanical stabilized bend tilt, ELS electronic anti-shake. 360-degree stable capture moment. 8K front head-up camera. GPS global positioning system. Intelligent following, the protagonist is everywhere. Automatic identification lock follow shooting. 360-degree surround, GPS surround. Pattern playing. Brushless powertrain, high-quality brushless motor. Strong wind resistance. Harsh environment can also adhere the creation. Modular battery cabin design. Equipped with 7.4 volts 2200 mAh large capacity, more power. Longer flight time. 1200 meters remote control distance. 1000 meters graph transmission distance. 5G transmission frequency. Number 2. Eachine Foldable RC Drone. Eachine EX3 GPS 5G Wi-Fi FPV 2K camera foldable RC drone. With 5G Wi-Fi function, you can connect the app, the APK system to take photos, videos, real-time transmission through the phone camera image. Full HD 2K camera. Support 2K 30 frames per second shooting with 8 megapixel CMOS sensor, wide-angle lens. Preserve the most original details, make your creation more inspiring. The camera angle can be remotely controlled to go from -90° to 0°. Maximum flight time, more than 20 minutes. Number 1. FIMI Mini Camera Drone. FIMI X8 GPS Remote Control Mini Camera Helicopter. 8 km transmission range. A newly upgraded TDMA image transmission system ensures stabler transmissions and optimized sensitivity. With an 8 km transmission range, the landscape is always with you. The further you can fly, the farther you can see. 30-minute flight time, small but powerful, with 30 minutes of battery life, the FIMI X8 Mini lets you create the blockbuster of your dreams. Equipped with the standard battery, the drone can fly up to 30 minutes. Equipped with the Pro battery, the drone can fly up to 31 minutes. Type-C fast charging battery. The Type-C charging port on the battery allows for 9-volt rapid charging. Charge your backup batteries without a hassle while flying the drone. Stabilized 3-axis mechanical gimbal. The FIMI X8 Mini combines a lightweight 3-axis mechanical gimbal with the latest professional control algorithm for a much better accuracy of 0.005°. Excellent performance means stable recording. 4K HDR video. The camera features 4K 30 frames per second video and a highly dynamic range, meaning clearer footage. Videos are shot in the H.265 HEVC codec, with F-Log and DNG image formats supported. Enjoy professional,